If you want your smartwatch to take a pounding and perhaps keep up with a more active lifestyle, what choices do you have? After all, the majority are made for looks, not for toughness. Mobvoi has stepped up with the TicWatch S2, a smartwatch that doesn't mind getting knocked or scraped once in a while. Design-wise, Mobvoi has engineered the TicWatch S2 to meet US military standard A10G, protecting against temperature, dust ingress, and is water-resistant to 5 atmospheres. It's quite thick at 12.9 millimeters, and the matte black color makes it faceless. Moreover, the polycarbonate body's texture feels great. The entire watch is very lightweight, and the silicone strap is comfortable. The button on the side is also easy to locate and push even with gloves on. And the tall bezel should keep the face free from accidental scuffs or scratches. We like that it was easy to personalize your watch by changing the watch face and switching out the straps. The screen measures 1.39 inches and has a 400 by 400 pixel resolution. We had no problem seeing it outdoors, but there's no ambient light sensor, meaning you have to adjust the brightness manually. Moving on, the watch runs the latest version of Google's Wear OS platform. It's swipe-based, but it's more logical than before and more helpful too. A swipe to the right activates Google Assistant. Swipe to the left and you get a selection of fitness metrics and access to Mobvoi's Tic Health Suite, found inside the standard Mobvoi app from Google Play. Alternatively, long press on the screen and you can swap to Google Fit. The tough body makes the TicWatch S2 ideal for outdoor use. It tracks steps and heart rate, interacts with Google Fit and Mobvoi's own Tic Health app, and has built-in GPS. We generally had no complaints about performance using it on a daily basis without frustration. The TicWatch S2 has a 415 mAh battery inside, which will typically last around 36 hours before requiring a top-up. Although not bad, it isn't as good as some others on the market. As for charging the battery, this is done by using the magnetic plinth with pogo pins on it. We placed the watch on the plinth with 20% charge showing on the display, and it reached 100% in about 60 minutes. To conclude, you'd be hard-pressed to find a better option if you're looking for an ultra-durable Wear OS-powered fitness smartwatch on a budget.